Okra, colloquially known as ladyfinger or gumbo, emerges as a nutritional powerhouse with a spectrum of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to diverse cuisines. Rich in vitamins C and K, folate, and an array of minerals, okra not only supports overall well-being but also addresses specific health concerns. Boasting high levels of soluble fiber, this vegetable promotes digestive health, aids in weight management, and contributes to heart health by potentially reducing bad cholesterol levels. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make okra a contender in the fight against oxidative stress and inflammation. Here are 10 potential health benefits of okra. Rich in nutrients, okra is a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamins C and K, folate, and minerals like magnesium and potassium. Heart health, okra contains compounds that may help lower bad cholesterol levels, supporting cardiovascular health. Blood sugar control, the fiber content in okra may contribute to better blood sugar control, making it a beneficial choice for individuals with diabetes. Rich in antioxidants, okra is rich in antioxidants, including quercetin and catechins, which help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Weight management, okra is low in calories and high in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and aiding in weight management. Vision support, the vitamin A and other antioxidants in okra contribute to eye health and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Bone health, okra contains vitamin K and calcium, essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Cancer prevention, some compounds in okra, such as quercetin and flavonoids, have been studied for their potential in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Improves skin health, the antioxidants in okra contribute to healthy skin by reducing oxidative stress and promoting a radiant complexion. Anti-asthmatic properties, okra may have anti-asthmatic properties and has been traditionally used in some cultures to alleviate respiratory issues. Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.